So the next steps in our process are to apply the PROTEC1. Before we do that, we are going to first clean the entire boat with Crystal Clear, which is a degreaser and a contaminant remover on the entire surface of the boat. So we're going to spray the boat down, wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to apply our PROTEC1. Cleaning the surface with Crystal Clear is a critical step. What we're doing here is prepping the surface for PROTEC1 to be applied, so all the contaminants, oils, grease must be completely removed. If you need to repeat this process 2 to 3 times, then do so. Any contaminants or particles left on the surface will prevent PROTEC1 from adhering properly. I recommend using PROTEC1 over traditional waxes and sealants. It is easy to use, goes on in one easy step, and can be applied by any applicator. Most importantly, PROTEC1 will not crack like traditional ceramics. It contains rubber and vinyl, so after it cures and has adhered to the gel coat, it will flex with the boat's surface. 1 coat of PROTEC1 will give you at least 1 full season of protection. 2 coats will give you an added layer of protection. I'll show you how to enhance its protection for the multiple seasons in our next step. All right, so now I'm going to show you how well the PROTEC1 works. Obviously, this is the treated portion like we talked about before. This is the untreated portion. Not only does the PROTEC1 protect your boat against UV light, protects it against rain, dirt, elements, but it also makes the cleanup easier. That's what the PROTEC system is about. So in this bucket, I have some dirty water. I mixed some topsoil in here, threw some water in here, mix it up. It's just nasty garden dirt. So we're going to throw it on here and show you what it does and what it doesn't do on both sides. So here you can see all the dirt particles basically rinsed off the boat. You have a little bit of dirty water left there, but that's not sticking to the paint. Here you can see the actual dirt sticking to the actual paint. So what happens is when everything dries out here, you're going to have the dirt that's stuck to the paint, makes it harder for you to wash. All right, so we're in the final step of multi-season protection. Using PROTEC1 by itself will give you 1-year protection. We've tested that in some of the harshest boating conditions in the world. And using PROTEC shampoo once a month or using PROTEC quick coating every 3 months will give you multi-season protection. Easy enough to use both of them. Let's show you how to do it. Quick coating is applied as a spray and should be used at least every 90 days. You'll want the surface to be completely washed and dried, then spray on the quick coating and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. What I'm doing as I am applying this is creating an extra layer of protection for the PROTEC1 that is already on the surface, which will make the cleanup much easier.